This is the Walkera 4.1, my first 4-channel remote control helicopter. If you're a beginner, you may find you learn more about repairing than flying. This model is reasonably priced. It's a fixed pitch and good for beginners. For beginners, it's essential that you attach the training kit provided. In my experience, I found that the brackets supplied for the skegs to hold the training kit on were applying too much force to the body, so a couple of rubber bands worked much better instead. I also found that the balls would slide up the shaft or may even fall off, so a few rubber bands came in very handy. I think rubber bands may be a helicopter's best friend. Before my helicopter ever left the ground for the first time, it developed a serious vibration in the main rotor, and the main rotor became dislodged. After a ground strike, check out your rotors. Also, check out your rotor head attachment. Over here we can see the bearings have become undone. They will need to be repositioned. The easiest way to get the bearings in is by putting the helicopter upside down and pressing on them with a screwdriver. Now they're in. Next, you have to realign the rotors. The way to do this is to take them on either end and stretch them out. Now they should be right. Check your alignment by starting up the engine. There, that looks fine.